In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Chispa Dating App not working. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and in this video, we go over the most common causes and solutions. So the first thing you want to do is you want to try to go ahead and close the Chispa app and then open it again. So the Chispa app, I'm not gonna lie, isn't as reliable as something like Facebook Dating or Tinder or Hinge. So it's definitely is a little bit more on the glitchy side. So if you notice that things are starting to get glitched, that is actually a little bit normal for Chispa. So you just want to go ahead and keep that in mind. But nonetheless, that is one thing you want to do. And another thing you want to do is you want to check your internet connection. So if possible, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and see if that does make a difference. And try opening another website or app to make sure that your connection does work, because sometimes there could just be a Chispa outage, like maybe the app itself is down. So just keep that in mind. All right, and another thing you want to do is you need to make sure that you give Chispa the ability to see your location, because obviously that's how they're able to determine the people closer to you. So what you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and open up your device settings. You can do this both on an Android or on a iOS device. And I know I have so many apps, guys. I got to organize my phone. But anyways, you just want to go to the search bar. Then you want to look up permissions. Then you want to go to this section that says apps, select on permission manager, then go ahead and select on location. All right, and then from here, you want to go ahead and look for Chispa. And of course, you want to give Chispa the permission to use your location, because Chispa is not going to work if you don't do that. So again, please keep that in mind. All right, now if you're in a situation where you're just trying to use Chispa and you're not able to receive a login code, which is actually an issue that happened to me when I first started using Chispa, then in that instance, what I recommend that you guys do is to actually reset your phone. So Chispa is a little bit weird. Sometimes basic things like that just don't work, or even if you inputted the code correctly, it still might say like the code is invalid or something like that. So in that instance, I recommend restarting your phone and then trying again. Now, if nothing works, what I recommend that you guys do is to completely reinstall the Chispa app. Now, this is somewhat of a last resort method. So if you tried everything, things aren't working, you're able to select on Chispa, you're able to select on uninstall, and then you can go ahead and install it again. So I know it's a little bit of a hassle going through all that, but if you're in a position where you try to do everything else in this video and things still aren't working, that it certainly is worth trying to do that. So anyways, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.